All right, what do we got? It is a squeaky box. It is the CELYST desk lamp. Cute little desk lamp, which appears to have some sort of a panda. Model 802, switchway button, style, stylish, cute. Lighting source, E27 bulb, voltage, 110 to 240 volts. Material, metal, and ABS. 16 by 16 by 26.5 is the size of the box. Well, I don't know why you want to know that. But look at here, it comes with bulb, energy saving, light series, 85% energy savings. And there's a manual. I don't know how much manual you need for a desk lamp. It appears to have a gooseneck. Explain to me why you have to put plastic here on this part. What is that doing for you? Anyway, it's a, it's a little gooseneck. And you got a little plastic panda. We'll side light the panda. Because, that's Panda's preferred lighting method. Okay. All right. So let's just move this over here. So it's a standard light bulb. And it's already on. Right, so you can light up your panda, and then there's the button there. It's a cute little panda for, little girl's room. We use the light itself to look at the manual. Warranty. Hello, friends. Thanks for choosing this lamp. We offer 24 months warranty for it. If there are any problems, please contact us, and they give you your information. Guarantee. So you have a warranty and a guarantee. Dear friends, our products have officially joined the Amazon Transparency Program. And they're out of Shenzhen. A lot of good things come from Shenzhen, and a few not as many. Usage steps. First, install the 27, which is replaceable. The bulb we provide is 12 watts. If you need to replace it, please install your own E27 bulb. After plug the lamp, press the button. The first time you turn the light on, it will get white light. Turn it off and turn it again to get warm light. The third time you get neutral light. Oh, well, it does change. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. Due to the auto-wide balanced nature of shooting these videos. But there you have it. It's a pretty heavy base. I'll turn the light on. It's a pretty heavy base. And you had your cute little panda. Now, they'd make a version of this with no panda, just with a ball. I don't know. What do you think? Panda or no panda?